So good day, Miss. My name is Angel Dioso from Base Bay 1B, and today I'll be discussing about my assignment of Chapter 9 which is Business and Consumer Loans. So the questions are, number 1, differentiate business credit from consumer credit and give examples. And second is differentiate open-end credit from revolving charge accounts and give example situations. And third is explain what is loan consolidations and give example. So my answer for number 1 is business credit and consumer credit differ based on their purpose and users. Business credit is money borrowed by companies or entrepreneurs to support business operations, expansion, or purchases of equipment and supplies. For example, a restaurant owner may apply for a bank loan to buy new kitchen equipment. So, on the other hand, consumer credit is money borrowed by individuals for personal household or personal needs such as buying gadgets, appliances, or paying for education. An example is a student using a credit card to purchase a laptop for school or a cell phone for personal use. And second is open-end credit. It is a type of credit that allows borrowers to repeatedly borrow money up to a certain limit as long as they continue making payments. A credit card is a common example because the user can keep borrowing and repaying within the approved limit. But meanwhile, revolving charge accounts are a type of open-end credit, usually offered by stores or businesses where customers can buy items now and pay later, often with monthly billing. For example, a customer may use a department store charge account to buy clothes and pay the balance at the end of the month. And third is a loan consolidation. It is the process of combining multiple loans into a single loan to make payments easier to manage. This usually helps borrowers reduce the number of monthly payment and sometimes lower the interest rate. For example, a person who has separate debts from credit cards, personal loans, and occasional loans may combine them into one consolidated loan with a single monthly payment. And that's all, Miss, for the Chapter 9, which is the business and consumer loans. Thank you.